Wait a second. This isn't chrome. Yes, I do believe you came here for this M1 Garand right here. This is actually not an M1 Garand. It's a National Drill America JROTC rifle. Not a mil cert, not a real Garand. However, kind of works. So this is mostly just for going around and having a good ass time with. And I think it does a good job with that. And you don't have to worry about dropping it. Not quite like this one. So you can just throw it all up around, twirl it and everything, and it just makes you all nervous. If you want to throw around a Garand, this is more your speed. You might be wondering, why did I even buy this as a collector's piece? It's not really a collector's piece. It's just kind of cool to have it. People ask about it. You know, it's a chrome M1 Garand. You can definitely tell this thing's been used. It's been beat up. It's got some scuffs on it, but it's still cool. It's heavy. It's about 9 pounds. It feels very similar, you know, in weight, definitely in silhouette of the M1 Garand. Doesn't affix a bayonet on it, which is unfortunate. Obviously, chamber doesn't open. You know, no peep sight, buttstock, big rubber buttstock to really hit the ground with. So, yeah, you know, it definitely looks like the M1 Garand. Definitely feels the same as far as weight distribution goes. I don't know, I was never in the JROTC or anything like that, so I don't know how it would actually work flipping around. It's definitely fun to flip around from my end, but nothing like, you know, the real deal. Story behind the Chrome M1 is that I went to a pawn shop, was just looking around, and I saw it. I was like, that's cool, a Chrome M1 Garand. Let me look at it. And then I picked it up. I was like, it's a freaking toy, not knowing anything about it. And then I saw here on the buttstock, it says Drill America right there. So I went home and I looked at it and I was like, man, this thing's pretty cool. The story the guy sold me was that someone was wanting to get in the color guard and they bought this, and then they were practicing with it for a couple months and got into some trouble. And so he needed some liquid cash, and he went and sold this to him at the pawn shop, told him the story, said he was sad, didn't get in the color guard because of what he did, and now his rifle was here on YouTube, and I'm telling you all about it. Anyways, pretty cool. You know, you can tell this thing's been used. It's got some scuff marks on here, but the chrome is all in really good shape. The wood on here is not wood. It's just really durable, hard plastic. Like I said, let me know what your stories are with these rifles, and if you have ever seen one, or if you are more familiar with the actual chromed M1 Garands that they actually use. I think they use M14s, but they have used M1 Garands in the past. Maybe someday I can actually find the real deal that they actually throw around in parades and marches and stuff. So I think that would be cool. I know those are demilled M1 Garands. Like I said, this is not that, but it would definitely be fun to try to find one of those just to have, you know, as a collector's piece. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep your eyes peeled for this, because I'm gonna do a couple shorts on it. Probably shooting some tannerite for America's 250th birthday. I haven't decided yet though. So definitely stick around and see, and I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you later.